Hi, I'm Dr. Chitra Pandya and I'm a final year postgraduate student in the Department of Community Medicine at Pramukh Swami Medical College, Gujarat. In this very brief session, we shall see some basics regarding how one can register for the COVID-19 vaccine. First, we'll come to who can get the vaccine. As we are aware, the phase 3 of the COVID-19 vaccination has begun from 1st March 2021 and according to the guidelines for the same, the following two groups of people are eligible to get the COVID-19 vaccine in this phase. The first are those aged 60 years or more and the second group is those aged 45 years or more and having one or more of these 20 specified comorbidities. The comorbidities list you can see on the screen. It is important to note that the age being taken into consideration is as of January 2022. So somebody who is aged 59 years currently and does not have any comorbidities will also fall under the first group, that is those aged 60 years or more, because that person shall turn 60 by January 2022. Next we will see when and where we can register. So as I have mentioned, the vaccination drive has begun from 1st March 2021 and the registration for the same is open from 9 am of 1st March 2021. Registration can be done through these three platforms. First is the Arogya Setu app, second is the CoWIN app and third is the CoWIN website. Now since the vaccination program for such a large number of people has been rolled out today, that is 1st March, there are some glitches that are being reported from both the applications. However, the website is functioning relatively smoothly. So in the initial days we can prefer the website. However, the apps will also start functioning smoothly very shortly, I am sure. I have provided the link to the the CoWIN website on this slide. Now we come to what do we need for registration. So we just need a valid mobile number to register ourselves into the app or the website, and we will be required to choose the government authorized ID that we shall be carrying with us during the vaccination when we go to the vaccination center. And the details that we fill into the form should match with the government ID that we select. In the documents that we have to carry to the vaccine center, it's only the government authorized ID that we have selected during registration. Where can we get the COVID-19 vaccine? So there are two types of authorized centers. The first type is the government centers which will provide vaccination free of cost. The second type is authorized private centers which will charge rupees 250 per dose. So both the types of vaccines that are being currently used require 2 doses 4 weeks apart. So when we go for the first dose, we'll have to pay 250 rupees in a private center, and when we go for the second dose, again we'll have to pay 250 rupees. However, these prices are decided by the government and may be changed in due course of time also. But currently the price is rupees 250 per dose. So when you go onto the website, you will have the option of selecting the center of your choice as well as selecting the date and time of your choice. So you will be able to see the list of all government centers as well as the private centers available in your area. These are my contact details and you may contact me for any further doubts that you have. Now I'll show a very short video regarding how to initiate the process of registration. One important point that I missed on this slide is that if you are in the age group of 45 to 60 years and having a comorbidity, you will also require a doctor's certificate stating that you have the comorbidity in question and stating that you are eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine. So when you go to the vaccine center, along with your ID card, you will also have to carry this doctor's certificate. So we go to the Play Store. We download the Arogya Setu app. Once downloaded, we open the Arogya Setu app. We select the language of our choice and click on Next. We click on Next and we click on Register Now. We agree to the permissions, allow. We agreed to access our Bluetooth as well. And then we enter our mobile number. Once we enter our mobile number and click on submit, we'll get an OTP. Once that is entered, you will see this page. Now we have to click on this COVID icon on the top right. After that, we click on vaccination, which is the second menu, and we click on register now. Here we'll have to enter our mobile number, and then the process is very simple, as I've already mentioned in the presentation. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly share this video with others so that it may also help them. Also, please subscribe to my channel for some more videos relevant to public health. Thank you.